Hi, I'm Patrick Hopper with Military Embedded Systems, and we're at Exponential today. And I'm with Clay Counts with Sealevel. Welcome, Clay. How are you?
Thanks for having me, Pat. Appreciate it.
So when I talk about Sealevel, we talk about AI, we talk about autonomous. So tell us a little bit about what you're doing here at Sealevel today at Exponential.
Absolutely. So here at Exponential, it's all about edge applications, processing at the edge. So we're taking our products, putting them in rugged, harsh environments, and running these AI applications in areas where maybe connectivity issues, things like that. We're able to deliver the product, the information they need.
And what challenges are people facing in the autonomous world right now?
Connectivity is the big one. So we want to look at bringing some of our computation to the edge, AI inferencing there locally with the product without having to send that out to a third party or a separate location where there could be connectivity issues, threats, things of that nature.
And how does Sealevel help their customers right now?
Yeah, so we have several different options and ways to help our customers. We have both custom and off-the-shelf products that we can help them with. Here at the show specifically, though, we have two new products that we want to point out to you guys. So we have our Relio R1 HPC Plus. That's based on the COM HPC architecture, so think x86 Intel style processors. This is a great product for bringing in a large amount of Ethernet data in through our 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports. This product has 5 ports on there, so it's very I/O dense and great for these types of applications. On the other side, we have our Torvex platform. This one's based on the NVIDIA AGX platform. So you think about this product and those two products, both are great for different use cases. This one's really the Ferrari in the situation. If you have tons of data that you need to bring in together, tons of different points you're trying to inference across one another, we're able to do that with this product. All ruggedized, mill-rounded connectors, so it's really built for the toughest of tough environments.
Well, with these products, we got to be talking about customer support. So tell us what you're doing with that.
Absolutely. So at Sealevel, we have a wide range of products, and we can really focus on 3 different options. You have off-the-shelf products, or COTS products, which you see many of here today. We have custom products and semi-custom products. So whether you need a product just like these two right here, or something that's a little bit different, maybe something that's completely different, we're able to help you out at Sealevel.
So when we're talking about autonomous, we're talking about drones. When do people start designing in autonomy?
So that's a great question, and honestly, the sooner the better, because it's one of those situations, if you start down the hardware path and you end up on the wrong platform, you got to go backtrack and start all over again on that front. So we like to start the conversations very early with the customer when they're early in the project. We're able to partner with them and help point them the right direction and get them the best product for their application.
So if you're at Exponential in Detroit this week, come down to booth 37028, or you can visit them online at
Sealevel.com.
Excellent.